This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by narrowing context. Choose the country, a meaningful time range, and the category that matches your niche. Once done, type 3 5-seed keywords and press enter to compare trends side by side. Make sure to change the search type, web search versus YouTube or news, because intent differs. This affects volume signals. You'll also toggle between past 12 months and custom dates to catch seasonality. Now observe relative interest and rising queries shown on the right. You'll read the interest over time chart to spot seasonality and short-term spikes. That tells you when demand peaks. Then dive into related queries, comparing rising versus top to find breakout terms you didn't think of. Make sure to export or copy those lists. They become your keyword expansion bank. Once you identify promising long-tail or localized variants, rerun comparisons with modifiers like best, city names, or intent words to validate consistent interest. Before committing to content, you'll finalize by prioritizing keywords that show upward trends or stable seasonality rather than one-off spikes. Then make sure to cross-check with Search Console, AdWords Planner, or other keyword tools to get actual volume and CPC estimates for validation. Once validated, build content calendars or bid strategies around peak windows. If you encounter sparse or noisy data, expand the time range or broaden the location to a larger region. This usually smooths signals and reveals a clearer pattern.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.